Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use Grok to extract text from a cooking video's ingredient list in just a few seconds. I was watching this cooking video and the YouTuber listed the ingredients on the left side. I want to save that list without typing it out manually. First, I will take a screenshot of the ingredients on my computer or with a smartphone. Next, I go to Grok's chat interface. I paste the image directly into the chat by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using Ctrl+V. After pasting, I type a simple prompt, extract the text from the image, then I hit Send. In seconds, Grok extracts the text. Here is the ingredient list, ready to copy and use, no manual typing needed. Grok can even correctly recognize 2 different languages in one line. That's it. With Grok, you can quickly grab text from any image. Perfect for recipes, notes, or anything else. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.